30th November 2022, the day when ChatGPT was launched, there was a storm in social media. Everybody was talking about ChatGPT only. Everybody was trying, testing, asking different questions to ChatGPT, and were expecting different results, and were also training what things were inaccurate, what was accurate, and all. ChatGPT crossed 1 million users in just 5 days, and it crossed 100 million users in 2 months. TikTok required 9 months to cross 100 million users, and Instagram required 2.5 years to cross 100 million users. So that was the craze of ChatGPT in the initial stage only. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a AI powered chatbot to which you can ask any question and it can answer them accurately. So hello everyone, my name is Shivshankar Nagarsoge and currently I am working as software engineer at Intuit. In this video, we are going to talk about the future of AI with respect to ChatGPT. So there were multiple different AI models earlier also. Then what is that different thing in ChatGPT due to which it got lot of popularity? Let us first understand what does GPT means. GPT is generative pre-trained transformer. So generative is ChatGPT can generate the words or sentences depending on the previous words or the sentences. So ChatGPT can generate human-like sentences, right? And pre-trained. So pre-trained means ChatGPT is trained with huge amount of data. According to Analytics India Mag, ChatGPT was trained with 300 billions of words and 570 GB of data. This is a huge amount of data, and using which ChatGPT answers our questions. T means transformer. So what does that mean? It means it uses self-attention mechanism which is used to output according to the inputs. So basically, if you try out the different AI models, different other AI models, they are trained to answer the similar way. So basically we set some rules, and according to those rules only the model will output the answers, right? But ChatGPT doesn't answer that way. ChatGPT can generate the output according to the discussion or according to the inputs. So this means that ChatGPT can also remember the previous conversation, and depending on the context, ChatGPT can answer relevant answers. So because of its conversation based method of answering the questions, ChatGPT got lot of popularity. Another important thing why ChatGPT got lot of attention is any non-technical person can also use or try out ChatGPT. As you already might have tried out what ChatGPT does, let us discuss the potential changes or things that will happen in future using ChatGPT. So the first thing I can think of is resume writing or the cover letter writing applications. So there are definitely different applications in the market for resume writing or cover letters writing and all, but they can utilize ChatGPT to enhance the resume, enhance the cover letter, or generate the new resume or cover letter with just few inputs from the user. Another thing I can think of is many online coding platforms will now start integrating ChatGPT with their environments. So if we take example of LeetCode has paid version where they can allow users to debug their code, right? So likewise in future, LeetCode or the platforms like LeetCode may integrate with ChatGPT, and they can allow users to find the bugs using ChatGPT. They can help users to add documentation for future reference maybe. So if this is ethical or unethical, because if you start using such platforms where ChatGPT or AI model can detect the errors, then you may become lazy, right? So there might not be lot of learning, but this can be the controversial part but this may be done by lot of online coding platforms. Another important thing, the IDs like Eclipse or IntelliJ might integrate with ChatGPT. This could be very interesting thing for the developers because ChatGPT can directly help determine the errors, or even ChatGPT can write unit tests with the help of pre-trained data. ChatGPT might also help developers to write documentation for their code. So in essence, ChatGPT will help developers to save time. It's not like developer will rely on ChatGPT and they make use of ChatGPT extension, plugin or add-on, and they will just add the code for review. Definitely developer may have to review the code and then submit for review, but that will easen the developer's task. ChatGPT can also be used for software troubleshooting. So for example, if you take example of Windows, in Windows you can troubleshoot if any program is not working. Say for example, Wi-Fi is not working. We can troubleshoot, we can ask Windows to troubleshoot and Windows can detect the problems automatically, right? So that way, many softwares will start using ChatGPT for troubleshooting the programs, and they can even fix the programs. So this may also happen. Another important thing, ChatGPT can be your health guide. So you can ask ChatGPT, you can provide your basic details like your weight, height, what you are expecting with respect to your fitness and all, and ChatGPT will give you workout plan. ChatGPT may give you your diet plan. ChatGPT will accordingly provide you the grocery list which you can buy the next week, right? So many such apps which are in the market may integrate with ChatGPT, or there could be new apps which will start using ChatGPT for doing so. So I think this could be another great benefit of using ChatGPT. The next important thing, I think ChatGPT can be your great study buddy. So for example, if any student is studying something, so if we ask ChatGPT what is Newton's law of motion, ChatGPT can give great insights apart from the book, right? We can even ask more, what are the real life applications of Newton's first law of motion, what are the applications of Newton's first law of motion in computer science, and blah blah, right? So definitely ChatGPT can be a great study buddy for you. ChatGPT may get widely used in content creation also. So for example, if I am a content creator, I required at least 2 weeks or 1 week to write 2 articles. Now if I take help of ChatGPT, I can write that 1 article in 1 single day. So I just have to give some inputs to the ChatGPT regarding the article, and ChatGPT will generate that article for you. You just have to review, you just have to give human touch to that article, and yes, the article is ready to publish. So definitely you shouldn't rely on only the AI, but AI can help you save your time, right? ChatGPT may also get used in film industries, because ChatGPT can write songs, ChatGPT can write stories, ChatGPT can write scripts. You just have to provide script to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT may write the songs for you. If you ask ChatGPT what will be the next script for this script, what will be the next sequel for this script, then ChatGPT might generate the script for you, right? So ChatGPT may get widely used in film industry also. ChatGPT may get used in social media also. So for example, if somebody wants to manage their social media account, if that social media allows the bots, then ChatGPT may get used for automatic replies or for managing the account. Also ChatGPT may get used to generate the posts. So for example, if I am recruiter of one company, I may give my basic details of the open position to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will write great posts for you to publish on the social media. Isn't it great, right? If you are a YouTube content creator, then ChatGPT may help you to create the description for your YouTube video or the tags for YouTube video, right? And that would save lot of time of yours, right? With every good thing there will be bad actors, definitely, right? So ChatGPT might get used for cheating also. So for example, in exams many people will start using ChatGPT. I tried few things. I tried asking some UPSC questions to ChatGPT. I tried asking some JEE mains question to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT was not that accurate. Okay, so we cannot rely 100% on AI model for getting the answers, but after training, AI can help you get the answers, right? So many developers may start developing add-on or browser extensions or something, and that extension may directly answer the selected question, and which will be really helpful for the students, but this is definitely cheating. So maybe in future there will be some softwares which will detect the answers written by the ChatGPT. I think there are few attempts which are already there to detect the answers written by ChatGPT, but they will definitely need to be enhanced because ChatGPT is well trained and it can give you human-like responses, and it is very difficult for the software also to understand whether the response is being written by ChatGPT or by human, right? So these were some of the assumptions or opinions that came in my mind, how AI or ChatGPT can be the future of AI, how ChatGPT might widely get used in different fields. These are just some examples, but there can be different other examples also where ChatGPT can widely get used, and maybe right now we cannot imagine where exactly the ChatGPT might get used. If you think ChatGPT can be used in another fields also, feel free to add your opinion in the comment section, and feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. I can help you with interview tips, preparation strategies, career guidance, motivation, etc. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.